Today we're going to open up a ceiling because we need to measure the rafters, the span, the width, and all that kind of stuff, and there's no access. Coming down?
Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
For sure, man. Paint it, make it look like nothing happened, then I can't do that. Because I was a painter for 30 years before this, before my wonderful career at Tron. So because I have this skill set, it's a great thing. I do it, everything looks 100% like nothing happened. Love it. It's a part of our 5-star service that we give. We provide as close to perfection as possible.
Still dresses like he is Michael J. Fox.
So I'm really good at patching it, tape it. We have paint. Ceiling white actually, or?
Yes.
All right.
Yep.
No, that's perfect. And then, I'll patch it with Durabond 5. It dries fast. We'll get it all done. And then we'll pick an area where the light doesn't wash or whatever. Okay. So I'll do it in an inconspicuous spot, make it 100%, where you're not going to see anything was done. We go the extra mile for our customers to go solar. We do all this work and we don't charge anything for it. So it's a great thing. I always say I'm your advocate. I'm here to help you. I empathize and I truly, get on the road to come up with a solution for them because I love this place so much. The more I do for Tron, the further we will go, the faster we will grow, and that's the mentality that everybody has at this company. It's just an incredible family environment.